Now it's time to learn the notes. If I were to write you a letter, I'd use words, sentences, and paragraphs. But in music, we use clefs and notes. Clefs are those 5 lines that we write the notes on. The notes can either be on the lines or in between the lines. To make it easier for you to learn which key each note represents, we have a couple of rhymes. Let's start with the notes that are on the line. Every good boy does fine. E, G, B, D, F. Every good boy does fine. That will help you memorize the notes on the line. Then we have the notes that are in between the lines. You just have to remember the word face. F-A-C-E. Face. Now let's take a look at the left hand, also called the bass clef. The rhyme we're going to use for the left hand is good boys do fine always. Good boys do fine always. G, B, D, F, A. And then we have the notes that are in between. All cows eat grass. All cows eat grass. A, C, E, G. So with these 4 rhymes, it should be easier for you to memorize which keys each note represents. Another thing to keep in mind is that every time we move to the right on the piano, we're going to be moving up on the clef. And when we move to the left on the piano, we will be moving down on the clef. I think this will make a lot more sense once we start on our first song. Good luck.